Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from TD Ameritrade using wire transfer, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from TD Ameritrade using a wire transfer, begin by logging into your TD Ameritrade account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Accounts section located at the top of the page. From there, select Withdraw Funds from the drop-down menu. You will then need to select the type of withdrawal you wish to make, choose Wire Transfer. Next, enter the amount you would like to withdraw. Review the terms and conditions associated with wire transfers, as they may include fees and processing times. After reviewing, confirm your withdrawal method by selecting Wire Transfer again. Now, provide the necessary bank account details where you want the funds to be sent. This typically includes your bank's name, account number, and routing number. Double-check that all entered information is accurate to ensure. Once you have verified your bank details, proceed to the confirmation page. Here, review the withdrawal summary, including the amount and destination bank account. If everything looks correct, click on Submit to finalize your request. You will receive an email confirmation of your wire transfer withdrawal request. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or additional verification steps. After submission, wire transfers may take 1 to 3 business days to process. Monitor your bank account to confirm that the funds have been deposited. If you encounter any issues, contact TD Ameritrade customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.